Karnataka, the land scam heat mounting on Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. A fresh complaint has been filed against the Chief Minister. He's been accused of trying to tamper and destroy proof. Allegations are the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah of Karnataka has tried to destroy land scam proof. This is what the complaint says. Siddaramaiah's son has also been mentioned in the complaint, Yatindra, claiming that he is a partner in crime here. The complaint says Muda Babu's in the cover-up too, that some of the officials within the Mysuru Urban Development Authority have aided in trying to cover up this land scam in favor of Siddaramaiah. The complainant says Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been trying to tamper with proof to evade investigation. This is a new complaint that's been lodged against the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah by Pradeep Kumar, accusing him of destroying evidence related to 14 land sites. The complaint also names Yatindra Siddaramaiah, his son, as a partner in the alleged dealings. The evidence claims, in fact, the evidence is claimed to have, as per the complainant, destroyed. And further, the complaint also claims that Siddaramaiah is trying to evade investigation by taking away all proof in this Muda case. And he says Muda officials also could be involved in this. Pradeep Kumar, the complainant here, requesting for an investigation, demanding that the resignation of the Chief Minister is now inevitable. He must resign as he's been indulging in evidence tampering. Let me cut across to Sagaira joining us on the phone line, our correspondent from Bengaluru. Sagai, who is Pradeep Kumar? And do elaborate for us this allegation here he's leveled against Siddaramaiah, claiming that Siddaramaiah is trying to erase evidence in the Muda case. How so?
See, he's another activist, Pradeep Kumar, who have filed a complaint with an enforcement directorate in the state of Karnataka, where he has alleged that there is a direct intervention of Siddaramaiah and his son Yatindra to influence the evidences in this particular case. And he also says that he is trying to misguide and influence the officials also who have involved in Muda's irregularities. And he claims that they should take necessary action against both father and son duo when it comes to Muda irregularities.
Certainly more trouble there, it appears, with Siddaramaiah now facing yet another complaint from an activist, Pradeep Kumar, who claims Siddaramaiah is trying to erase off evidence in the Muda case. Thanks, Sagai, for joining us with those details.